Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to transfer a vehicle permit in West Bengal. This link provided here below will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page West Bengal transfer a vehicle permit. In this page we have provided detailed information along with instructions and information for a new applicant to understand the procedure in a better way to complete this procedure. Also, you can see few links for external websites or forms which are important for completing this procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, you can find a select language tab which is provided on the top right corner of our page. It has many languages to select from the drop down menu. Select the language of your choice to understand this procedure in the language which you know better for better understanding. A list of items covered in this session today: need to transfer vehicle permit, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, and other information. Right, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to transfer vehicle permit. As prescribed under Rule 171 of APMB Rules 1989, a permit can be transferred in case of death of a permit holder or due to personal reasons, maybe age related, you can transfer. So vehicle permits are obtained by vehicle owners from the respective RTO office in order to use the vehicle for the purpose of using that vehicle for the concerned for the commercial purpose. For example, the stage carriage permit allows holders to service an area with a specific route. The permit also mentions the type of vehicle that got the permit, and the approved timetable, the number of trips it can make in a day, and standard rate of fare it can charge. So similarly, different permits are there for different vehicle usage. So once the permit holder dies, or if he decides based on the age that he is not going to govern, he can transfer the permit to his legal hirers. Documents required: a link for the online application form is provided here. With a click of the link, you will reach the West Bengal form related page where you can download the form which is required for this procedure. Respective application form that can be obtained from the RTO: original permit, registration certificate, fitness certificate, insurance certificate, proof of payment of tax for the current quarter, payment of green tax wherever applicable, pollution under control certificate, Aadhaar card, the resolution of the RTA or STA, or the order of the court if required can be attached. Moreover, in case of natural transfer, that is age related transfer, an affidavit to the effect that other members of the family do not have any objection to transfer the vehicle as well as the permit in the applicant's name, which has to be duly attested by a notary and submitted. In case of a death, the transfer of a permit holder to a legal hire, meaning the legal hire will access the permission, will access the permit. The death certificate in relation to the permit holder, copy of the letter in which the death of the permit holder is intimated to the competent authority, legal hire certificate issued by the competent authority enabling the applicant to succeed the possession of the vehicle as well as the permit, or you can provide proper person certificate or a family member certificate issued by the Mandal Revenue Officer concerned. If you have given proper person certificate or a family member certificate, then you have to give the officer concerned an affidavit to the effect that other members of the family are accepting for the transfer of the same. It has to be duly attested by a notary and submitted. Transfer due to change of vehicle, then you have to follow this. Then you have to attach these documents: registration certificate of the proposed vehicle for replacing the existing vehicle, fitness certificate of the existing vehicle and the vehicle proposed for replacing the existing vehicle, insurance certificate in respect of the vehicle proposed to replace the existing vehicle, payment of green tax wherever applicable for the new vehicle, proof of payment of the vehicle proposed for replacing the existing vehicle for the current quarter has to be attached for this type. Note: if the existing vehicle is under stoppage, meaning it is not used, and has not paid has a valid FC, valid IC, and has not paid the quarter taxes or payments, provided the stoppage is genuine, you can transfer the permit. How to apply? Let us see how to apply in person. Make sure that all the required documents are in hand. In order to transfer a vehicle permit in West Bengal, the applicant has to go to the RTO office concerned for his area. Don't worry if you don't know the address of your local RTO office. Click the contact link provided here to reach the contact page of the West Bengal State Transport Portal. You can filter further to mark the local RTO office for your area to go there for applying directly. As I explained, you can download the form from this link provided here. A respective application form need to be obtained from the RTO and complete this form for applying. Make sure that you have all the required documents. Missing out one document, your application stands rejected. Application forms can be obtained on your visit to the RTO office. Please collect the form, fill the details, attach all the documents and submit it to an officer there for the officer to mark the amount on the counter in which you need to pay. Go to the counter, and if the counter is having queue, stand in the queue, and on your turn please pay the fees and submit these documents. Once the clerk at the counter receives your document, he will start the internal processing of the application. Important vehicle verification for the permit, including the condition of the body built, vehicle condition, seating arrangement for the vehicle which you obtained, will be carried by authorities. After checking the vehicle for its correctness and other appropriate requirements like legality of the person, other legal papers in place, the application will be processed further to transfer the vehicle permit. Eligibility: owner of the vehicle is eligible for this procedure and legal hire is eligible for this procedure. The owner will be eligible when he does a natural transfer like age related transfer. The legal hire is eligible when the demise of the owner of the vehicle happens. Validity: transfer of permit will not affect the validity of the permit. Fees: this link will help you in reaching a page which provides different kind of services and the fees required for each such service. Make a note of the fees which you need to pay in the counter at the RTO so that you will be better placed about the fees. Processing time: 5 working days is required to get this permit. Offices and contacts: Public Vehicles Department, 38 Beltala Road, Kolkata 20. Contacts, email, fax details are provided here to clarify your doubts and complaints. This link, contact link provided here below, will help you in reaching the contact page of a state portal which has many addresses to select, which we have already explained. Online resources: these links will give direct access to the websites we just saw in our procedure. All these websites have good information and enough data for supporting to completing this video. So we have provided these websites as link in our appropriate places in our procedure page for saving your valuable time. Other information: the type, body build and seating capacity of each such vehicle for permit should be notified to the authorities. FC for clearance is a process meant for reviewing the condition of the vehicle by the RTO authorities. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to transfer a vehicle permit in West Bengal.